All right, hey, welcome back to my channel, OldGuyBMXer. Last time I did a video with you guys, I did the Enfield, Connecticut, where I picked up that RL20, not an RL20B, an RL20, my apologies, but it was full of stickers and some mismatched parts. So I decided to do an update, and I went down to Massachusetts on Friday and picked up these purple Tough Wheel 2s with these SE tires on it. They're a little bit bigger than I like, and I'm going to end up changing those out. I think what I'm going to end up doing is I bought some Panaracers black, and I'm going to put those on this, and I'm going to change out the grips to black grips. And at some point, I'm going to put RL20 handlebars and maybe that Redline headset there, the neck that I have. I think I might put that on there, because honestly I'm not 100% sure who made this handlebar. I think it's an Odyssey, but I'm not really sure. And then I'm probably gonna leave it, but man, check this out. She cleaned up really nice, took off all of the stickers that didn't belong on her, which was tedious, but went down to Massachusetts, picked up that, and if you can see in the background, I've got a 1978 Rampar, 100% original. Bought it off the guy. He got it as a kid in 1978, and I went down there and picked that up as well. My next video will be about that, short and sweet. Pretty awesome bike. I'm not going to do anything to it other than clean it. I'm going to make it look nice. But yeah. So my RL20's cleaned up, all the stickers are off of it, and I'll do a little bit more tweaking on it, and then I'm going to leave it the way it is. I also got figured out what I'm going to do with my Skyway Street Styler. I'll do that on another video, and I'm trying to finish up this RL20B. All right, so stay tuned, stay rad, and I really appreciate you checking out my channel. All right, see ya.